Hey, Callum.
This isn't going on the video.
No, this isn't going on the video.
I would be wearing just regular clothes.
Yeah, you would.
Hold it.
Which one?
One on the left.
Are you filming, Dad?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Light.
Come on, wait. Lightning.
One on the right?
No.
Okay. We just go back to the left.
You're not gonna come up here, Dad.
Yeah.
Not that close. No, we don't want to hit that water.
A bit more than that, yeah. Okay, there you go. Lovely.
Where? No, you have to look.
Your idea.
No? It's gonna blow up, Ayden. Ayden, this is gonna blow up.
It'd make a great ending for our movie.
Ayden, it's gonna blow up and I'm gonna die.
Okay, Callum.
While you stand back and watch me blow up. What are we blowing up?
Right there, right there. That's good.
Let's shoot at that tree right there.
Right? No, let's shoot at this.
Yeah, that tree.
And we'll miss like we have done many, many times. We go off the road.
Does this need to be on tape? Can you edit this out?
You can edit anything you like.
Wait, I'm all wet. I'm off wet.
Oh, that's rough.
Something. Smells like bananas.
Ready?
It's like a shotgun.
Oh, he's putting extra in.
It'll work. Watch. See, it went through.
Yeah, going through the hole that was already made. And you hit in the exact same spot again. I told you to the left.
You kept aiming to the left. You were like way off target.
No, I kept on aiming right there.
Actually, you were aiming over here.
Well, you kept on like aiming right there. Hey, what the hell? I knew it was wrong. Right there.
Edit whatever you like.
Then you can go continue.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, let Callum aim this time.
Yeah.
Okay, well.
Let me aim.
Can you move closer? When you're ready.
Ready. Told you! Look at that. Perfect.
the other time.
Whoa.
I'm gonna blow up my volleyball.
Where's volleyball? No.
And you're
Where did the volleyball go? Oh, it's still up there. It's still up there.
Move to a different one. That's close.